Unfortunately, many times we buy cars which mileage are doctored. They are not true. Different manufacturers have different oil drain schedules for their different fluids. For the VWs, I would say automatics normally do 60,000. DSG wet clutch does 60,000. DSG dry clutch does 35,000 standard. However, it doesn't mean that you have to wait for that mileage to reach, then you do it, whether the gears are working well or not. You also have to put in fair judgment. Are your gears not shifting well? If you drain out the oil, how does it look? Does it look bad? But once you do that, okay, now you can start counting from there. When you last service, I serviced that 48,000 kilometers. So you know that you have to do another 35,000 on the dry clutch transmission, or you know you have to do another 60,000 on a wet clutch. Midway through, pay attention to your gear shifts. If your gear shifts are acting funny, it could mean that either the oil that was used wasn't the best, or it could mean that actually there is internal wear and tear within your transmission. But essentially, the drainage schedule for your gearbox is to the discretion of your manufacturer. So speak to your mechanic. He will guide you on what the manufacturer actually says.